The sound begins to shape the air, a flowing stream, a world to share. Each tone connects without despair, a melody beyond compare. The waves align to form the beat, a current guides our moving feet. It carries us where sound's complete, a space where energy will meet. A rising wave begins to climb, it sets the stage, it builds the time. The tones emerge, they start to chime, a lasting form that feels sublime. The ground responds with every tone, a symphony we've always known. Each motion carves a world alone, a force that's real, a strength we own. Feel the shift, it starts to rise, a sound that reaches far and wide. Harmonic currents take control, a stream of sound within the soul. Each note ascends, it makes us whole, a timeless wave that sets the goal. The energy flows and builds the way, a melody we all obey.
The tones combine, they shape the stream, a vivid sound, a crafted beam.
It fills the air, it builds the dream, a melody that reigns supreme. Each layer weaves a boundless flow, it carves a path that starts to show, a lasting form, a steady glow, a sound that moves where we must go.
Fades but does not leave, a sound that lingers, we believe.
Harmonic currents build the stream, a timeless force within the scene.